Yo, my people, welcome back to another episode of Documenting My Journey to Becoming a Profitable Day Trader. This is episode 6 of the journey. The reason it took me a while to record this episode 6 is because this week, as I'm speaking right now, it's 19 June. Okay, 19 June. This week of 19 June, I did not take any trades. So it was a no trading week for me this week. And I didn't want to bore you guys with just no content. So I was like, you know what? I deleted all the footage. It was not a lie. It was like only like 4 clips. So I deleted all the footage, and I'm gonna be recording again, starting over again, and starting this vlog on Friday, 19 June. And then we're gonna be recording next week, obviously episode 6. But yeah, if you guys are new here, please do make sure to like and subscribe. This is gonna be awesome episode. So yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen yet, but I just know, I just have a feeling it's gonna be mwah. It's gonna be an insane week. But yeah, yo, let me just show you guys what I'm working with. Okay, got it. Hey, my people. It is Sunday afternoon. It's about 3:30 p.m. Took a nap today. Oh my days, it was awesome. But we're gonna go for a jog right now. And your boy's feeling low key tired. That's why this puppy is gonna help us conquer. Oh, Episode 6. Let's go. I do not want to do this. Cold, raining. We out here, you know. We got to do it. Never quit. Quitters never win. Remember that. Back. I don't have Strava, but you can trust me. I did do my run. Bang! We're back. We're done. Showered and everything. Now I'm probably gonna grab some dinner, and then yeah, that's my Sunday. You know, super chill. Tomorrow's Monday. It is, I think it's the last week of the month, so I'm gonna go a bit aggressive this week. But obviously, we gotta have to be patient and wait for good setups to occur. But when we do get a setup, I might risk a bit more, you know. But actually, no, we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna stay patient and wait for a good setup. But yeah, Sunday. Let's go. Okay, so we are currently on the chart. It's Monday. It's 3:46, about 15 minutes into the trading session. We're just waiting for our strategy to occur, and then we're gonna take a trade. Yeah. All right, guys. So, missed the trade. I wouldn't say necessarily missed the trade. I trade SMT divergence. So I wait for SMT with the correlating pair, which is obviously NQ and ES. I wait for 1 minute IVG in the pair that made the SMT. You get the point. SMT divergence. The same high just got swept. I was waiting for price to make an SMT. Price did make an SMT, and then ES ended up sweeping the same high, and then price just dumped. I wanted to look for shorts, and price just dumped straight without me. Just look at this, bro. Look at that, bro. It's the same high. If you look at the timestamp, I can't really do this. If you look at the timestamp right there, it says 410. That's the high. And if you go look at this high right over here, it's also out there. Look at that, 410. The exact same high got taken out. And yeah, price just went straight down to my targets once again. Ugh. Or is it the strategy? I don't know. I don't know anymore. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, bro. But we're just gonna keep staying patient. I'm waiting for yeah, but well, that's probably it for the day. Okay, boys. That's Monday. No trade. Starting the week off on a starting week off good. We didn't lose. We didn't win. We were on the charts, but we were disciplined enough to not FOMO into a trade that does not align with the way I trade. So I'm happy. Unfortunate, but it is part of the game. I'm gonna go for a jog right now, and then I'll probably see you guys tomorrow or later this afternoon. But yeah, let's go. Okay, so bit of an unlucky day. We had the correct bias, but just no valid opportunity that aligned with the way I trade. Obviously, I trade SMT divergences. I wait for SMT divergence before I take a trade. I don't care if there's a liquidity sweep and obvious liquidity. I'm gonna wait for SMT divergence because that's the way I trade. And this happens a lot, it happens a lot. But I think me staying patient, staying disciplined to the way I trade is really gonna improve my patience, and also it's gonna improve my confidence because it's just gonna add more like confidence and when I see a valid trading opportunity. So yeah, I'd much rather not trade than trade a way that I do not trade and lose. But yeah, that's our Monday. Yeah, we're gonna see what Tuesday has. We do have Wednesday news, so we're gonna have to watch out for that. But yeah, it's been a slow trading period for me. Not really been taking any trades recently, but that's my patience leveling up because I'm actually waiting for proper trading opportunities. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Peace. It's about 20-ish minutes away from market open. It's a Tuesday. I think we might be done for the day, but price is giving us a board up. But I might be done for the day. No trades once again. It's frustrating. It's testing my patience quite a lot. But I don't know. I just have to stick to the plan. The way I trade, I know I look for a I trade correlation pairs. You know, NQES, USD, GBP USD. Um, but at the moment, I switched over to futures about 3 weeks ago, about a month ago. And it's obvious we look for a manipulation of some sort of liquidity. Might be Asia low, session highs and lows. And then I look for a SMT in the correlating pair. From there, I look for 1 minute IVG, wait for that IVG to get inversed, and then we target the opposite liquidity. For the past week and 2 days now, price has been ripping and just not giving us any signals. Well, last week I missed some trades. Today is Tuesday. So I just need to calm down. But it's just so frustrating when you don't get a trade. But also, it really tests your patience. But yeah, I think we might be done for the day. We've still got about 22 minutes left. So let's see what happens. So we did not get a trade today, Tuesday. I did take a look at the forex market, and we made a beautiful SMT of GU, and you flashed all the way down to valid liquidity targets. So now I'm like, okay, should I add forex back on my watch list, or should I just stick to futures? I don't know. But I think the better thing is gonna be to stick to one, like only two pairs, not add a lot of pairs and make it harder for me. So probably gonna do that. Stick to futures. But I do like it that my strategy does work outside of just the futures market. So that's awesome. We're gonna go for a nice little jog, and then we're gonna come back. Yeah, and do whatever. And we're gonna be back again tomorrow. That's Tuesday. No trades. Okay, we are back. We are live. It's Friday, boys. These last 2 days we were busy, so I couldn't really execute any trades. But yeah, today, Friday, I'm looking to end the week on a good ending, and that might be trading or no trading. We are about 7 minutes into market open, and yeah, market's moving volatile. Look at this. All of that happened within like the first 7 minutes. We tapped into this 15-minute gap right here, made a SMT, and as you can see here, you swept that high, tapped into the same 15-minute. So we had nice little shorts, but I always wait for the second SMT. It printed this trap, so now I'm just looking for that trap to get taken out to make another SMT, and then we can just continue to sell off into the higher time frame trap, which has been holding for like days. I think almost like a week now. So yeah, and we are super bearish. So yeah. I just took the quickest hour in my life. Wow. And we just have a massive Drake candle just as I entered. Look at this. What in the flip, bro? Just as I entered, bro, we get that massive Drake candle right over there. We had a beautiful SMT, 1 minute IVG, swept the high, targeting these unfilled 5 minute right over there, and price just absolutely raw dogged me out. So we just took a loss, and I'm not really like annoyed because I followed my plan, and price as I entered tapped me out, moved straight to my TP. Well, it's almost at my target, but it's totally fine. This week was a bit of a up and down week. I didn't really have a lot of trading time, and Yeah, Monday there was no trades. Tuesday there was no trades. Wednesday and Thursday there was trades, but I was away because I had to finish some school stuff. And now today, Friday, beautiful opportunity. Taking over last because of a massive Drake candle. I think there was maybe like a tweet or something, but I don't really care. We just follow the plan, and yeah, that's probably our trading week. We are down 0.7% on the week, which is W risk management, and we only took one trade, which is this trade. So I'm glad I didn't take unnecessary trades. And I'm glad also the trade I did take was part of my plan. So it's a systematic win. I mean, systematic loss. But yeah. People, quick stroll to the shops. And then we're gonna come back. I want a bev, so I'm gonna go buy me a bev. Then we're gonna come back, eat, chill out. And then we're gonna go for a jog after we come back from the jog, shower, journal the trade, and then that's our Friday, and that's our week. But yeah, peace. Snacks secured. I forgot to record, but one thing you're gonna have to learn as a day trader is to not take losses personally, because the loss shouldn't really matter if you follow the way you trade. It shouldn't really matter if you did check every single box off before entering the trade. It shouldn't really matter if you risked accordingly. It shouldn't really matter if you followed the way you trade, follow your strategy, followed your market approach. Then the loss is just going to be a systematic loss, and you're going to have to know how to deal with these losses and not take them personally. There is going to be losing periods. There's also going to be winning periods. And if you break those losing periods and change your approach, change your strategy, you're not going to enjoy the winning periods. The ones that stick it through the hard times, through the storms, who make it out at the end of the day. Okay? So if you're losing, follow the plan. If you're winning, follow the plan. If you're not getting any trades, follow the plan. But yeah, that's just my little heads up I want to give you guys. Peace.